Well, healthcare is an iterative process. We learn about disease, but then we try to find ways to translate that into something that will be useful for our patients. We usually get a part of the way, but that part of the way allows us to learn something more about the disease and then move further along towards developing new medicines that are actually more effective. Academic medical centers are really the centerpiece of healthcare innovation. We have our professors who are doing basic science research. They have students, they have postdocs, they have a lot of people who are assisting them. And then once they've made a discovery, we have an infrastructure which allows them to take that and actually apply it to the clinical problems, the patients who still have diseases which have no therapies. And we take our discoveries and try to move them along the commercialization pipeline so that we can develop new therapies and new medicines for patients who previously didn't have any. Today, AI has actually very little impact on day-to-day care for patients. But at the same time, we realize that in the next 5 or 10 years, AI is going to transform everything that we do about healthcare. People have asked if AI is going to replace the jobs of doctors. I think we realize that doctors who use AI will replace doctors who don't use AI, but doctors won't be replaced. This is something that we've run for several years now. Each year I think we've iterated on it a little bit to make it better and better, stronger and stronger. I think bringing together people from areas of academic medicine, pharmaceutical industry, venture capital is sort of a special sauce that allows us to really identify problems that need to be solved, bring together the people who need to work together to solve them, and then actually do the work. And so it's a crucible that allows all that to happen. It's happened in the past, it'll happen during this conference, and hopefully will happen in the future. One of the things I learned was that statins have a potential therapeutic benefit for patients with dementia, particularly frontotemporal dementia. I have a brother-in-law who was recently diagnosed with FTD, and so this is something very exciting to me and suggests that this may be a new avenue that may lead to new therapies for these diseases which are really so devastating.